I finally ditched this desk lamp with a monitor light bar, and it has been a total game changer, and let me show you why. My desk setup has been constantly evolving since 2019, but one thing never changes. I love a warm and cozy room vibe. At home, I never turn on the ceiling light. The monitor screen light is very intense on my eyes, so I always have some kind of desk lamp to lighten my workspace. The one I was using most recently was a double-headed lamp clamped to the desk. The problem with traditional desk lamp is that they don't have asymmetrical lighting like a monitor light bar. The light will shine directly into my eyes, so I always had to push it down or adjust it. Also, it wasn't very clean looking because of the bulky stand and clamp, not the minimal and cozy setup I want. So after years of trying so many options, I figured it time for something new. I always knew monitor light bar existed, but I thought they are just to reduce the screen glare on the monitor itself. Well, because the name said monitor light bar, not monitor and desk light bar, you know. But I really needed was something to lighten my desk because I also read books there. I cannot live with my desk lamp issue, but then I stumbled on some monitor light bar reviews and found out that they actually light up the entire desk surface, not just the screen. So I decided to give it a shot, and BenQ is a famous one but also expensive. But I found the Quntis RGB monitor light bar, which is like 3 times cheaper. So now let's talk about this Quntis monitor light bar. First, it has asymmetrical lighting just like other monitor light bar. That means the light shines down onto my desk without ever hitting my eyes, which was a huge upgrade from my old desk lamp. It comes with a remote control. The front light has 4 color temperature and can also adjust the brightness, but I mostly use the warm temperature because I just like the cozy vibe. For the backlight, there are 15 modes including dynamic and mono, which I can change based on my mood, but I usually stick to the mono because I get easily distracted. I like everything mono. In everyday use, this thing lights up exactly where I need it. My keyboard, notebook and mouse all evenly lit without any glare or awkward shadow. I also read books and not this light, and it's surprisingly comfortable for that too. These are the 3 drawbacks that I find on the Quntis monitor light bar. The first issue is that when I use it with my iPad, there is this pretty noise screen glare. To fix that, I use a morph net and his little stand to adjust the angle and avoid the glare. You don't have to use the exact stand, anything that takes the screen will do the trick. And the second one is there is no warm light option on the back of the RGB. I like that I can change the RGB colors, but sometimes I just want a simple warm light and it doesn't have that. Another thing is that the RGB brightness is not adjustable, so it would be great if they added that feature. So if you are someone like me who hates harsh ceiling light and wants a cozy desk setup, changing to a monitor light bar like this is a total game changer. It's not just about the looks, it genuinely improves how I work, read and just hang out at my desk, because this is where I spend most of my time after my 9 to 5. Plus it frees up space and cuts down on eye strain, which is a win in my book. Honestly, I regret that I didn't get it sooner. If you want to check out the light bar that I'm using, I will link it in the description below. And as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.